Go to Canva. Create a custom size design. We set the centimeter. The width will be 29.7 and the height 42, which is a Canva format A3. Here we see click. And here is the canvas. Now let's upload the images. We're going to work with here. Click Upload Files. Search for them in your folder, and it's up. In this case, I already have it here. Drag it. I already have the design canvas and drag the image of the child here. In this case we can enlarge it, shrink it, place one side on the other. You're going to leave it wherever you like. I like it here so you can see a bit of Rosario. And obviously you can add a name here too, like the videos I showed you earlier. Okay, we have our file ready. And now we're going to share. Download it. Okay, you can download it in JPG. But in this case PDF because it's ideal for printing. Flatten download PDF. The process begins, and once it's downloaded, we open it to see if we like it. In case we want to make any changes, here's our file and we review it. Here we have the child. The Canva is ready to print it.